Hi, this is a quick video on how to keep track of your assignments in Google Classroom. So as you can see on the screen, I am inside of a Google Classroom right now. Specifically, I am in this Test Classroom 2020-2021. If you notice, I am on the Stream. I have 3 tabs up here. I'm on the Stream tab right now, where I can see all of the information that my teacher is posting for me in Google Classroom. I am looking at this from a student perspective to help you out. One of the ways that you can keep track of your assignments is through your stream. So if you notice here, I have a bunch of assignments that have been assigned to me. Some of them have different words here. This says returned, this says assigned, graded, missing. Those are important to keep track of. So if it's returned, that means I have done it, sent it to my teacher, and my teacher has sent it back to me. If it's assigned, that means my teacher has assigned it to me. I haven't done it yet, and I have not turned it into the teacher yet. So it's still going to show assigned. If it's graded, I have completed it, turned it into my teacher. My teacher has given me a grade and returned it back to me. If it says missing, that means it's late. I've missed a due date, and I haven't turned it in yet. So if you scroll down your stream, you're going to be able to see any assignments that have been posted to you. This can sometimes get kind of cumbersome, which means that it can be difficult to navigate. One of the easiest ways that I have found for you to keep track of your assignments is to come over to this section on the left. It says upcoming. This is going to show you what's due today and what's coming up due soon. But if you click on view all, it's going to give you a list of all of your assignments that are in Google Classroom, whether you've done them or not. So let's take a look. We can see that we have a number of them that say assigned. So again, that means that my teacher has assigned the assignment, but I have not yet done it and turned it into my teacher. I have that one that shows up as missing. It was late. I missed a due date. Here's my one that's graded. I got a 90 out of 100. Excellent. Here's one that says assigned. I still need to do that one. And this one has a check mark. So this one's special. Notice that over here, this is the example assignment ungraded. So what that means is there was no grade letter number attached to the assignment. Like this one was out of 100 points. This one was labeled ungraded. So I turned it in. My teacher looked at it and returned it to me. And so that check mark shows that I have turned it in. My teacher has looked at it and returned it to me. So you see that there. You can also use some tabs over here to find if you're looking for something specific. So if you're looking for your late work, you can click on missing. And this will show you any work that you might have missed that's currently late. Those are good things to catch up on. Next, you might want to take a look at what's assigned. What do you need to be working on right now? And you'll see that my missing one still shows up as an assigned assignment because I have not yet turned it in. Returned's a great category to look at too, because this shows you what has gone to your teacher and come back. All right. So this is a really important screen to look at each day. Like I said, to get there, you're going to come from your stream and come over here to the left and click View All. There's another way that you can get to that screen, and that's by coming up to your Classwork tab, clicking and opening that. So this is where you're going to find all of your materials and assignments by topic. But up at the top, it's going to say View Your Work. So if you click View Your Work, it'll take you back to this assignment page. I highly recommend that you're looking at this every day to make sure that you are taking care of anything that has been assigned to you. I hope you have found this helpful. Have a wonderful day.